Yes, people, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna help you with some progress, lost progress in Candy Crush Saga. Well, so first thing we need to do, of course, is we go to the Candy Crush Saga app and we tap the button Candy Crush. Well, if I tap play now and I play like 50 levels or 75 levels and I'm in a good mood and I play a lot, then when I delete my app, all my progress is lost. Why? Because I didn't log in with my Facebook or with my email account. So if you don't want to log in with your email or your Facebook, then you probably have the chance to lose all levels you played. Well, so if I play now and I don't save my progress, well, I save my progress if I keep my app on my telephone. If I don't keep my app on my telephone, well, I lost all progress. So what we have to do, we go to the wheel left under in the screen and we see there my account. Well, I tap my account again and then you see sign up with email, continue with Facebook, continue with Apple, or continue with an email if you already have an account. So if you don't be sure it's secure, you can always read the privacy and security things. You can tap here on privacy policy and you can read something. Well, nobody does this, but I just want to say this in this video. Then you sign up with your email, you tap sign up with email and you fill in your email, you fill in your password, your first name and your last name. And your first name and last name, guys, you can fill in some bullshit. It doesn't matter. Yes, so that's it. If you have a Facebook account, you can also log in with your Facebook, but that's pretty much it. Yes, thanks. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.